Jit is a amazing and valuable team member. I remember really amazing that he's an artist, right? And I usually ask him on the earlier years, hey, can you share? He's very shy. He dare not say anything. No, 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 no. And suddenly one day he said, I said, you share lah. How is it? He said, so many people want to buy, just by, giving the water. He tell me so many testimony. So I said, oh, that's very, I remember one time he said, uh, crazy, my this part-time job, the income from the income tax, it's double what I'm doing full time. We were both laughing. So from then I realized that Jit really look into every step. He's very detailed, just like an artist, right? You have to go from step by step, and he's a very good teacher also. So I only when you, like what Charlene said, Mr. Oshiro is such a brilliant plan. We've all been in other network marketing. Initially, I also say, I know lah, I know. But really, after you take all the bonuses and all the commission, then you realize that, oh my goodness, I really don't know. I have never seen anything like that. But what Jit has done is fine tune it until he can really explain to you what you are missing. It looks like very general, I know already, right? Even when I'm a 6844, I can still miss the missing link. And saying, I know it, but I wouldn't know how to put it step by step like that to explain it. So if you don't ask me, I wouldn't know also. So in this case, I really appreciate what Jit has done and being so generous to not only open to all my other team, but everybody else, which is very rare. So thanks, Jit. Very proud of you for coming up with this. I would only say that go step by step. I got it because I really enjoy the step by step. He's a very good teacher, you see. So I also want to learn so that I can teach. And where are the missing points that he can explain clearer and more detailed than me. So I would say the investment is really nothing compared to what if you miss some bonuses, it's gone and you can't slot it back in. Or if you structure it, you can earn double or even triple. So I said it's a really amazing investment. It's a no-brainer. There's no gimmick. It's straight talk. It's straight tips for you that every distributor need to know. I can say, go for it.